You guys just gotta look at this thing. This thing is just, wow, I don't even know what on earth I'm looking at. It's just incredible. This thing has just exploded in the last, like, 2 minutes. Whew, look at this, man. It's just coming everywhere. It's just going everywhere. That is just incredible. I was actually talking to my dad earlier. I have never seen rain like this, not since Ike. This is just absolutely incredible. Look at the lake down here, or the pond. It is just monumentally exploding. Look at this. Just look at this. Right here. This is just nuts. I have never seen any rain like this since Ike. This is just fantastic. I mean, you like can't hear you can barely even hear me. This is just absolutely monumentally mind-boggling.